Some players win trophy, but only a few in the hearts of the world. Lionel Messi is one of them. For nearly 2 decades, Messi gave football fans moments they will never forget. Every touch, every dribble, every impossible goal reminded us that football could be beautiful. He was not just chasing trophies, he was creating memories that millions of people was carry forever. From a young boy in Rosario with a dream to becoming one of the greatest footballers in history, Messi's journey was never easy. He faced criticism, heartbreaking defeats, and endless pressure. But every time he failed, he came back stronger. Then came the moment every fan feared. The final wish list below, and with it, another World Cup dream came to an end. The stadium fell silent. Fans stood in disbelief. Some cried. Messi did not need to say a single word. His eyes told the whole stories. Years of sacrifice, dedication, and the love of the game, where we reflect in the one emotional moment. But this debate does not define Lionel Messi. A legend is not reminded because one of loss. A legend is reminded because of everything he gave to the game. The impossible goal, the magical assistance, the unforgettable celebration, the hope he gave to millions of children who dreamed of becoming footballers. Every football era has its heroes. For millions of fans, Messi was not just a player, he was childhood, inspiration, and joy. One day, the plots will be hung up for one day, the boats will be hung up forever. Stadium lights will fade, new star will rise, but the memories Messi create will never disappear. Years from one, people was not only talk about how many trophies he won, they will remember how he made football feel like it. They will remember the excitement every time he touched the ball. They will remember the feeling of believing something magical was about to happen. Legends do not live forever on the pitch, they live forever in our hearts. Thank you, Lionel Messi, for every smile, every unforgettable moment, and every dream you gave football fans around the world. Because heroes may live the game, but legends never live history. Thank you.